going on, guys? So today I'm using the phone, not using the other camera, because the reason the vlog was up so late today was because yeah, I didn't get a chance to edit it when I got home last night, and then I got home from work today and then just booked it into editing and then trying to get everything uploaded. So, but I did it in like 10 minutes, so I was pretty impressed with myself. I'm getting pretty good at it. But currently, right now, hang on, me and Connor are in the process of climbing a tree with you know you want to. You know deep down you want to. It should be safe, right? You think? Climbing a tree with a ladder like that? No, we are tackling this back half of the porch. Try to get this cleaned up and whatnot. We did the other part yesterday, which I'll show you guys. It looks pretty nice. It's kind of like legit. I mean, you guys saw it before. That's kind of what it looked like. And now, you can see we have concrete. And things are organized. So, it's a process, but we're trying to get it done. And now there's bees around here, so that's unfortunate. So things are about to get intense because we saw this over there. And I just jokingly said we can burn that. And Connor, what was your reaction?
Sure.
He was like, yeah.
I'm gonna burn this too.
Burn that too? Did that rip in your hand?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Just,
We're gonna burn this swing too.
Oh.
In the truck.
And the truck?
Yeah. I'll light it up.
You're so excited about that.
That's...
Oh, God. All right, so it might not look like much, but we got it pretty well organized. Oh, that's kind of, well, except for the chair, that's kind of garbage stuff. Then we got this big old pile of stuff to burn in this little bitty fire pit. So, to burn all that, it's going to be interesting. And we can't get it too high because we have a cable right there and some trees. So, gotta manage that pretty wisely. But now we're on our way to Walmart to go, get something. I don't know. Connor said we need to go to Walmart, so that's what we're doing. All right, time to get this going. I love the light. Like, I'm not wearing my headlamp. This is literally the light from the camera. Like, it's impressive. From my phone, not the, yeah. Anyway, yep, time to get this stuff burning. Let's get it. And so it begins. Just gotta put stuff on top of it. This wood's gonna take a hot minute though. That's the only bad thing. This is going pretty good though. I'm liking it. Okay, so that thing is just taking hold quicker than I thought it would. Good Lord. It is getting it though. I'm liking that color in the frame though. Good Lord, that's awesome. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Love the way this camera picks up all that stuff. Sorry, I'm having a nerd moment, but you're missing it, dude. Yeah, it's getting there. So I have to baby step this thing because we throw all that shit on there at once. Woohoo! That'd be a bad time.
Go on. Oh, she's going.
Oh no! Take a seat.
You know what makes the fire better?
What?
Wieners.
That's great. This is definitely not made for kids.
Plenty of fish.
Man, that thing is just
Burning.
getting it. Like, good Lord.
Getting it.
I did not expect all that. Thank God it's not like super dry out here because we got things flying up. Look at that. Going up everywhere. So I threw a pillow on top of the chair and I'm kind of starting to think that might not have been such a great idea because holy shit.
Yo, that was a horrible idea.
God.
Luckily the trees aren't burning.
Yeah. That's close though. Oh my God. Okay, so yeah, now we know, future reference, that.
I told you it's a bad idea.
I know, but I didn't think you.
The tree catches on fire.
Good God, that is. If you could feel the heat off this thing, it's intense. All right, so we have to man the cushions accordingly.
Yeah, we have to wait until all that burns down.
Yeah, no more adding them on there right now.
That chair's still not burnt down.
Not yet. It's a sturdy chair. I wish we hadn't burned it. So yeah, we're slowly getting there. We got a couple more things over there. I can't believe we made that pile go down that quick. But yep, oh boy, it's gonna get it. It's gonna get it. And I'm standing too close. Yep, I'm getting it. Well, you guys aren't gonna believe it, but start a fire. And look, you shut up,
Oh, that's good.
dickhead. Are you? Please don't fart.
Oh. Feels good.
If I angled this the wrong way, that would look so not okay.
So much
And
smoke.
then the grand finale. Yeah, that is a lot of smoke. This during the day, we definitely get some people called.
Mine's
This
still-
is how we do fall cleaning in the South, boys. Just in case you were wondering.
Just wait for spring.
We
We won't be here.
That shit gets intense.